Hi, you are welcome to Best Cars, where we bring you the latest reviews and recommendations on the best vehicles in the market. Our topic today is fun facts about Peugeot cars. Please click the like button, subscribe and click the bell button, so you will be notified anytime a new video drops. Here are some fun facts about Peugeot cars. 1. The Peugeot family has been involved in the manufacturing of goods since the early 19th century. Peugeot started producing coffee mills and bicycles before it ventured into car manufacturing. 2. The Peugeot lion logo has been used since 1847 and is one of the oldest logos still in use in the automotive industry. 3. Peugeot is the oldest surviving car manufacturer in the world. The company was founded in 1810 and started producing cars in 1889. 4. Peugeot has won the European Car of the Year award 5 times, more than any other French car manufacturer. 5. The Peugeot 405 was a popular car in Iran and became a cultural icon after it was featured in a popular Iranian film called The Fish Fall in Love. 6. In the 1960s and 1970s, Peugeot was known for its rally cars. The Peugeot 205 T16 won 2 World Rally Championships in the mid-1980s. 7. The Peugeot 402 was the first production car to have disc brakes, which were developed in collaboration with British manufacturer Girling in the 1930s. 8. Peugeot has a long history of producing diesel engines and was the first manufacturer to produce a diesel engine for a passenger car in 1959. 9. Peugeot has a strong connection to the cycling world and has sponsored professional cycling teams since the 1880s. 10. Peugeot has produced a range of concept cars over the years, including the Quasar, a four-wheel drive sports car with gull-wing doors, and the 20 Cup, a futuristic open-top sports car with a tubular steel frame. There are several reasons why people love Peugeot cars. Here are some of the most common ones. 1. Design. Peugeot cars are known for their stylish and innovative designs. The company has won numerous awards for its car designs, including the European Car of the Year award 5 times. 2. Comfort. Peugeot cars are designed with comfort in mind. They have spacious interiors and advanced features like air conditioning, ergonomic seating, and soundproofing to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. 3. Performance. Peugeot cars are engineered to deliver excellent performance on the road. They are equipped with powerful engines, advanced suspension systems, and responsive steering, making them fun and engaging to drive. 4. Safety. Peugeot cars are designed with safety in mind. They come equipped with a range of safety features, including airbags, electronic stability control, and anti-lock brakes, to help protect drivers and passengers in the event of an accident. 5. Efficiency. Peugeot cars are known for their fuel efficiency. Many models are equipped with efficient engines and features like stop-start technology and regenerative braking to help conserve fuel and reduce emissions. 6. Innovation. Peugeot is known for its innovation in the automotive industry. The company has developed numerous technologies over the years, including the world's first diesel-electric hybrid car, and is constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the industry. Overall, people love Peugeot cars for their combination of stylish design, comfort, performance, safety, efficiency, and innovation. These qualities make Peugeot cars a popular choice for drivers around the world who are looking for a high-quality and enjoyable driving experience. Thank you for staying with us till the very end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car-related contents. Bye.